Hello, welcome back to the channel and something a bit different this week. This is going to be another episode in the Electro-Tat series. Now, I wasn't planning to do any more of these, but by chance I've had to buy a new appliance. What is it? It's a new kettle. Oh, very exciting. So this is going to be a genuine unboxing video. So before I can make some tea, we need to open this box. So let's do that. So this is it. Glad to say that a certain company haven't smashed it to bits, but it's arrived today at work for me. Very excited because I didn't expect this till next week. So I can now have a decent cup of tea in some vintage tech. So let's get this unboxed. I realise my head's out of shot, but you want to see the product, not the person cutting the box open. So, oh, this looks like it's been wrapped well. It's always nice when people actually make a decent job of packaging stuff. It's like pass the parcel. Oh, there's another layer. Wow. Bit of a waste of a jiffy bag, but yeah. Oh, it's a sneaky clue. Right, well, I've come through the kitchen for the final reveal. This is very exciting. You ready? Oh, is this the right way up? No. There we go. It's a Haden. And here it is. This is I think these are 1980s. Certainly we had one of these as a family kettle back in 1989. If I can find a picture of us, because I think there is a picture of us somewhere with this in the background. But right. Without further ado, let's have a look inside. That's okay. It's nice to see that someone's actually gone to a decent effort of packaging it. So looks like they've torn a book up. Sacrilege. I wonder what it was. Well, it's going to go in the recycling. For those interested. What else is there? Oh, that's nice to have. It's got the little warranty card. Get under the light a second. Haden electric kettles. Thermostatic protection. Kinky. Do not fill from hot water tap. I'm sure that probably wouldn't make any difference. For the instructions, what not to do. Do not place kettle on hot surface as the feet may be damaged. That's a fair comment. Wiring instructions must be earthed. Guarantee. Oh, this is apparently very important. Right, well, let's carry on with the unboxing. Move the box out of the way. Get rid of all this paper. Oh, it's immaculate. I wonder if it's actually been used. Doesn't look like it. I mean, wear on the plug socket, but no. Oh, well, that's got to be new, isn't it? Alright, what I'll do then, before I make the tea, obviously, I'm going to give it a good flush out, boil it a couple of times, and then I can make my first cup of tea. So this is first boil. This is going to be a flushing boil because obviously I don't want to drink straight from that. There we are, that's started to boil after a few seconds. I probably didn't need to put quite so much water in there, but... And this being a sort of older kettle, it hasn't got an auto cut off. So once it comes to the boil, you just have to turn it off. Right, that works. So time to drain, refill, and then a nice cup of tea. Thanks for watching.